Hi, I'm Mr. Malcolm, creator of Mr. Malcolm's Music Factory, a TV and stage show that teaches kids music while also helping them with their social, emotional learning.
And it is puppets.
Yeah. And it also has puppets. This year, we're debuting the stage show at the Hollywood Fringe Festival, and we're preparing to tour schools this fall.
What? Well, you did not tell me we were traveling, my king. I love to travel.
Yeah, we really want to get the music and the lessons to kids throughout the whole state of California.
That's right, and perhaps even further.
Well, I hope so, but guess what else?
What?
There's a music video coming up that we're making.
Oh.
Can I be in it?
Of course, Willow.
Can be.
Absolutely, Sandy Wanda. We're all going to be in it, but the thing is, we really need people's help, and that's why we're here today, to get support.
That's right, kids. So the word of the day is benevolent subsidy.
Well, there isn't a word of the day because this is a musical show, Lord Boom Boom Stick.
But we are looking for help. Right, Mr. Malcolm?
That's right, Willow. Tell them all about it.
To do the show, we need to rent a theater, we need to pay the editors for the music video, get videographers for the stage show, we need to cover the cost of the puppets.
What's a puppet?
It's like a small dog.
Oh, I love doggies. Yes, and of course, there will be prizes, right, Mr. Malcolm?
That's right, Lord Boom Boom Stick.
Like tickets to the show in June, and t-shirts, a chance to be in a music video, and best of all, a romantic dinner for two with yours truly, Lord Boom Boom Stick.
I don't think that's one of the perks.
Aye, but it should be.
Okay, guys, we'll discuss that. But more importantly, we just want to take one moment to say thank you to all the kind folks out there who are supporting us, and we hope we'll see you at the show, right?
That's
okay?
right.
I'm Mr. Malcolm at the Music Factory. We play lots of games and learn lots of things. Come and join us, have an adventure, dance all together, and drum up some fun.
Yay!
Bop, 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 bop. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Good. I almost pooped.